Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna cook Japanese cheesecake. This one. I have never cooked it before. It's gonna be my first time with you. This cheesecake looks so delicious, so fluffy, so yummy, and I just want to try to cook it. Let's go! Okay, let me show you what you need. We need butter, eggs, cream cheese, sugar, flour and milk. First, turn on the oven 302 Fahrenheit. You need 2 eggs to separate the whites from the yolks. Prepare a pot of hot water and put on top a bowl. We need to melt butter, cream cheese and milk. Keep stirring. The cheese should become liquid. It literally takes 3-5 minutes. This is the liquid consistency we need. Next, remove the bowl from the water bath. Add the sifted flour to the mixture. You need to mix very well so there are no lumps. Then add 2 yolks to the mixture and mix everything well. This is the consistency we should get. Start with egg whites. And we need to add sugar in 2 or 3 steps. The main thing is not overwhelm the whites. Combine egg whites and all ingredients together. Do it in 2 or 3 steps. Preparing the baking dish. I have this circle shape and I need to wrap it. I recommend that you add some oil inside. Put all mass into the form, and you need to prepare a tray of water. Put the mold on a tray and pour water. After 20 minutes, leave the cheesecake for another 20 minutes. And for third time, increase the temperature to 329 and put the timer 25 minutes. Open the oven and turn cheesecake another side. Okay guys, finally cheesecake ready, and let's check. No water! I don't know, maybe should I put more water? Okay guys, I expect more. I expect like super fluffy. It's little fluffy, but not like in the picture. Let's try the taste. Also the smell like eggs. The cheesecake, it's very delicate to cut. Look the texture. It's so soft. So soft. It's a little bit moving. Let's try. I even don't know, guys, how to describe that delicate milky taste. It's so delicious, for real. Yes, I didn't get a fluffy shape, but the taste, it's very good. You should try to make it. I will definitely make this cheesecake again. Thanks for watching the video till the end, and bye!